Today we're going to Hilton Tokyo Odaiba to celebrate Mommy's and Karin's birthday.
Yay! Actually, it's fully booked in Hilton Odaiba this day because there's the Star Island event. They're gonna be held with full fireworks tonight. So that's also one of the reasons why we're going there. Pero yun, we're lucky. Yay! Blessing that we're able to 2 days before lang. 2 days before today. We were able to avail a free night certificate. Yay!
Ayan. I can see there. Kita mo dyan. What is that hotel?
The one that I like, I
Hilton Tokyo Odaiba.
look at the charging of course. Sorry. Sorry, Tesla.
This is the lobby. Look, sunset daw ngayon 6:52.
Oh, nice.
Did you get the upgrade today? Why?
Fully booked. 100 diamond members.
Wow. King bed. Can we fit on the bed? It's a greeting.
There's a greeting. Happy birthday. This birthday. Oh, happy birthday. What is it? Yay! Actually, they're Madeleines. Madeline.
There's a bathtub here. Open it.
The view of the other hotel, Bradley. No, we're really opposite sides. We cannot really. That's a cart. That's Gundam over there.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, Karin, come here.
What's that, Mom?
Hindi lang.
Si Daddy? What's that train? Look.
Alright. Okay. Good. We can put toppings.
Really, let's put toppings together.
Yes. Okay. Here. Let's go. Yep. All right. Here you go. Okay. Go ahead. Do you want jam? You want jam? No. Cheese in the top. Okay, let's see.
Guys, thank you for the day. Thank you for the food. Can we pray? Really?
Can make space for the coming airplane. This is the best plan.
Happy birthday. What did you get?
Mixed fruit.
Isang milk yan. Kuliwa?
So, mama.
Open the machine set of the sealed off side camera. Kuliwa? Give it. Okay. Naruhodo. Nalugod na pa. Escape line.
Internet feed.
To buy Karin's gift.
Look at the weather today. It's perfect. Perfect weather.
What's that?
Gabby.
Don't have the gift.
Your favorite.
Are you happy?
That's
Ah,
nice.
let's
No,
go.
I think this is better. Ne? Here, happy birthday! Smile! Nice!
Happy birthday to
us.
you. Happy birthday, Mommy.
Okay, time to open.
Wow, what's that?
Super shy, super shy.
Show it to me.
Super
Wow,
shy.
new jeans.
Because I always play with my
Like that?
little
Did you put? Did you put? No. Ah,
Karin, come in. Over. Hey, Karin. This is Karin over.
Are you mad? daming tao. Uy, tao. Daming tao sa baba.
Tired.
Ah, let's go na, let's go. Bye.
Kaylee, are you okay?
Yes.
Ah. Ride on. Thank you, Lord, for this beautiful morning. In Jesus' name we pray.
The American Express yung
Yan na.
ang ganda, puti. Let's go. Uwi na tayo.
What do you mean?
May ilaw. Kaylee wants to go back to Conrad.
No, we're
It's
going.
been a while
Kaylee, we're gonna go there actually.
for your birthday.
No, now we're gonna change.
I change hotel. Wow.